This isn't a bike. It's a flying machine you can ride. No runway, no license, no limits. And the craziest part? This could be your daily commute, sooner than you think. Meet the Volonaut Airbike, a creation so futuristic, it feels like it escaped from a sci-fi movie. But this is no CGI trick. Right now, in secret test flights, this bike is actually gliding above traffic. No more traffic jams, no more red lights. Just pure, gravity-defying freedom. The vision's simple. Give people the freedom of the sky without the cost or complexity of a helicopter. The Volonaut team combined the agility of a motorcycle with advanced drone technology. The result? A personal flying vehicle that fits in the space of a parking spot, but can soar over a city like an eagle. Underneath its sleek carbon fiber shell are multiple independent rotors, each controlled by an AI-assisted flight system. You don't need to be a pilot. Just hop on, push the throttle, and the Airbike's onboard brain stabilizes your flight automatically. It's so intuitive, it feels like riding a bicycle in the sky. When the first flight videos leaked online, people didn't believe it was real. But then came the proof. Full aerial demos, live crowds watching in awe. Social media exploded. People called it the Tesla of the skies. Others said, this will end traffic forever. It's more than a machine. It's the feeling of your first bike ride, mixed with the thrill of your first flight. Imagine leaving work and lifting off while the rest of the city sits stuck in gridlock. Imagine weekend trips that turn into airborne adventures. This isn't just transportation, it's freedom you can touch. Now imagine this. Airbike lanes in the sky. Emergency responders arriving in minutes. Rural areas connected instantly. And yes, entire cities redesigned for life above the ground. Sounds impossible. So did smartphones. So did electric cars. Until they weren't. Of course, game-changing tech comes with challenges. Regulations, safety, battery range, all being tested, improved, and re-engineered. But every major leap in history had doubters. The difference, the Volonaut team isn't slowing down. From Silicon Valley to Tokyo, investors are calling it the future of mobility. Early prototypes are already making headlines, and flight enthusiasts around the world are lining up to be the first to ride. If this blows your mind, imagine how your friends will react when they see it. Share this video with someone who would ride this tomorrow. Because if you've ever dreamed of flying, your dream might be closer than you think. The Volonaut Airbike isn't just coming, it's rewriting the rulebook of travel, and we're just getting started. If you love seeing the future before it arrives, hit subscribe, because we've got more world-changing tech coming your way. Oh, and one last thing. When you finally get your Airbike, where will you fly first?